Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about LMND stock. Not a lemonade you drink, but the insurance company that recently IPO'd. We're going to be looking at the company's financials, the fundamentals, and technicals to see if this is a good stock to buy. So I hope you guys enjoy the episode, and if you guys do, make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys aren't already, guys. Also, if you guys want to sign up with M1 Finance, you guys can get a free $10 to invest into any stock out there. There'll be the first link down below, so make sure you guys check them out. So now, let's jump into it. Roll the intro. Let's go. Yeah. So for those of you that don't know what LMND is an online insurance company that allows people to get all different types of insurance like rental, homeowners, and pet health is really what they specialize in. Now their main target audience is people from the ages of 25 to 44. That makes up about 81% of their overall customers. They make it super easy to actually get a quote because you can do it all on your phone. You don't have to talk to anyone. It's super easy. They have a mobile app where you can actually pay and manage everything. Another cool thing that I found that they have is you can find things in your house that maybe you see value in. So maybe your camera, you can put that on your insurance plan. You can put all different types of things on it. It's actually really cool. So right now I am in the process of buying a house and I happen to come across LMND, and honestly their mobile app, their service is actually pretty good. It's pretty awesome. Just their insurance price was a little high, and so I went with somebody else, but honestly it's actually a really cool mobile app. Now they do have a market cap of around $3.2 billion, which is a ton. So they did recently IPO for about $29, and their stock skyrocketed up to almost $100 before selling off. Right now we're kind of still in the little sell-off territory from the IPO breakout, but honestly this is a really interesting stock. So the company does project gains and revenue in early 2021. So honestly, they're becoming more profitable, and honestly, this is looking like a really interesting stock. Now, for those of you that are investors in this company, you guys can expect a lot of volatility, a lot of up and downs, but if you guys can handle that, I really think this could be a perfect stock to diversify your portfolio, and I do think they are one of the front runners and an early company for the insurance tech. I think that's going to be one of the top growing sectors in the next couple of years. So honestly, let's go ahead and look at the computer, look at support, resistance, kind of where this overall stock is trading. Is there good opportunity, or should we just ignore it? Alrighty guys, so this stock really had an amazing run from, a low of $50 all the way up to a high of $96.51. It did consolidate here with an upward trend here before actually selling off, falling below this 200 moving average line. That's this yellow line here. And if you guys can see, it's kind of using this moving average line as a resistance line. So it's having a hard time breaking over it. You guys can see it did come up with it right here before selling off, came back up with it again before selling off, came back up again before selling off. So now looking at the stock, you guys can see that one, we have that resistance line, but where are some support lines to set some alerts so we can get in on some good prices? Well, it does look like there is some support here at around $55, which overall seems like a pretty close price to what it's at now. And it does look like it does have some support right here because it did come in contact with it, bounced. Now it's coming down in here. Honestly, I think this could be a perfect opportunity, one for a swing trade and one to get in on this stock in kind of an undervalued price point. Looking at the RSI, you guys can see it's trading at a 39, which isn't a 30, but it's still technically getting to that undervalued territory. So honestly, maybe there is a possible swing trade, and honestly, this could be a good overall price point to get into. I think there's some support from $58 to about $55. Overall resistance up here at 65. So really risking $3 to make upwards of, $8 or $9 is kind of a good little ROI there. But overall, I think this could be a perfect stock to overall diversify your portfolio. And if you can handle these ups and downs, I really think this could be a front runner in that insurance tech. And I'm really excited to see what happens. Maybe I'll take a little stab, buy $100 or $200 worth of this stock. I really kind of like it, guys. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button. I think Lemonade is a perfect stock for people who want to diversify your portfolio, and if you guys can handle the risk, handle all the up and down, I really think this could be a perfect stock, guys. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Make sure you guys check out M1 Finance. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and overall stay safe out there. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bam.